Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the system section, then go to the reset options and select delete all data factory reset. Tap erase all data, then once again, and after a few minutes your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.